Respected principals, teachers, and STEPapp team, good morning. My name is Manoj and I am working at Kendriya Vidyalaya Pahalgam as a TGT Maths. I am now discussing about STEPapp's contents. All the students are really enjoying this kind of app. I am very thankful to all STEPapp making teams. Our app is very inspiring, and the dedication of STEPapp team is beyond our expectations. The videos, contents, practice sets, and other things provided in it increase the learning level of students. So, again, I appreciate to teams this such kind of app to prepare. Data representations, marking schemes are really good. The concept speech and the speech delivered by about any topics, and after that the practice sets, quizzes increases understanding level of students. The questions asked in quizzes are time bound, so students solve questions very fast with accuracy. Again, in lockdown, due to COVID-19, every student can access it with a simple process using 14-digit code and 4-digit password. Again, I thank to all team. I thank to STEPapp team for preparation of such kind of contents.